everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited today, really excited. I'm going to show you some new makeup storage that I just got. It's sitting right here behind me. I am also obviously in a different location, so I'm actually moving down to my sunroom. I have a sunroom off of my deck in my living room, and I never used this space, and I thought this would be a great place to turn into my beauty room and filming room, and it gets great light, and I didn't like the couch, to be honest, or the chair, so I thought I would move and come down here. So that's what I've done. So I got this storage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you that, and then we're going to talk about some exciting news. I have a giveaway planned, so I want to share that information with you. So stay tuned and watch that. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, and make sure that you share the video. Sharing is caring, folks. All right, well, here we go. We're going to go ahead and hop right into it. All right, here we go. Here's the unit that I bought. It comes in 3 different pieces. Well, 4. You have this top part that can come off. Has the 3 little, the little holes here. There's 2 holes here. Compartment back here that's all open, and this compartment that's all open. Then it has this section with the drawers, the 3 drawers, and then you have the smaller sections, which there's 2 of these that have 3 smaller drawers and a larger one. This one has the thing up. I'm not sure I'm going to keep those in there, but there we go. So that's basically what the unit looks like. To start out, I thought that this would be a great way for me to organize, obviously, my makeup. I did put it's a candle holder I got from IKEA. And obviously I have that there for my brushes. So what I did is I brought down all my makeup from where I was filming before, so that I could put my makeup into the thing. And you can see, obviously I have quite a bit of makeup here. And you can see how much this unit will hold. So what I'm going to start with are my mascaras, and I'm going to actually put those up here in what maybe would be somebody would use for their lipstick, but I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to also put my concealers in there. Okay, that's probably going to drive me insane. Yeah, that very well could put me in the crazy house, but we'll try that out. All right. So we're going to put those there. We're going to put the eyeliners in the small. This is not easy to do with one hand, let me begin to tell you. In that smaller one up there. I also have, I think in this one, this drawer, I'm going to go ahead, if I can hold the camera still, and I'm going to put my blushes that I use on a daily basis in here. So I have that one, my Lancome, I have the Luminoso from Milani, I have Swoon from MAC, and then I have the L'Oreal True Match, and that's in the True, I think it's True Rose, Tender Rose. And then obviously I have plenty of room for more to add more products to it. Okay, and then in this drawer, I do have another mascara. I need to put that guy up there. Put my little eyebrow guy up there. I have a couple foundations. I'm going to go ahead and put those in this top drawer. I have my Chanel, and I have my L'Oreal cushion. Those fit perfectly in that drawer. Let's see, single eyeshadows I'm going to put in this drawer, and I have smaller palettes too. I have the 2 palettes. I have the L'Oreal, the smaller quad, or not quad, but you know what I mean. Put that there. The Wet n Wild that I showed you guys. I have an Urban Decay. This is a really pretty color. It's in Bust. Love that color. Put that in there, and I have this Chanel, and it is in Complice, I don't know. It's French. Who knows? So put that in here. We all know that I cannot pronounce anything, so it's probably too full. Okay, and then I'll put the 2 single guys down here. And I'm going to go ahead and put my Urban Decay in there as well. Oh, crud. Okay. I do have a lip, just one lip liner. I'll put that guy up there for now. And then in this drawer, I'm going to go ahead and put this down. Like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to keep those in there. I kind of like the look of them being completely clear, but I thought that that would be kind of nice to do it that way. I think in that drawer, I'm going to put my lip products, and I have all of them, like just the things that I grab on a daily basis. I have this dirty one from MAC, and this is in Cream Cup. Love this color. It's a nude color. There you go. Really, this is one of my favorite lipsticks, so I'm going to throw that in there. I have this. I got this in one of those boxes. It's Manna. I'm not sure the color. Here, I'll show you what it says. I'm not sure I can focus. Yeah, it's not focusing, but I'll throw that in there. I have one of the Wet n Wilds. I have a bunch of lip products in my purse that I should probably get out. I have this one from Milani. It's a matte sheen lip gloss. I love that. Chanel Pink. This looks really pretty over lipstick. I have this one from NARS, and then my everyday lip balm. Throw that in there. And then in this little drawer over here, I'm going to put my highlighter. I don't know if that's going to fit. Oh, nope, it's not going to fit, so that's okay. Go ahead and close that. We'll put this guy up there. We'll put the Fix Plus up there. I have all my brushes, and I'm going to stick those back where they belong in my little holder. Oh, that's going to drive me nuts. And then I have these palettes. Now the palettes, I'm going to stack. And we're going to put those right here. I'm going to put the Tardiest down first. And then we're going to put these on top. So I have easy access to those. And then the only thing I have left are these two. I have my Hoola and my Dandelion blush. And I'm going to go ahead, even though it's a bronzer and such, I'm going to go ahead and stick that in this drawer with the other blushes. And as you can tell, I have these two small drawers. Oh, I'll put my lotion up here. I have these two small drawers that I can fill. And I have all of these drawers up here. So I'm doing good. I have plenty of room in my lipstick drawer. I have still plenty of room that I have to fill, and that took care of the majority of my makeup. I do need to do a makeup clean out, so I probably will do that with you soon, and we can go on that journey together. I also have this whole compartment here full, and then this guy is just holding the one lip liner. So I have all these full. I have plenty of room for more stuff, which is exciting. So anyway, I just thought I would show you that and show you the storage and how much it can hold. Guys, thanks so much for watching that. Like I said, that is all my makeup storage, and I love it. I am very, very happy with it. I probably actually will buy another one as well, just because I like it so much, and my makeup collection's always growing. I want to make sure that I have one. Speaking of which, speaking of buying another one, I know I am going to buy two. One for me and one to share with one of you. What I'm trying to do is a couple things. First of all, I really appreciate everyone that has subscribed. At the time of making this, I am at 26 subscribers, I believe. And I just am so thankful for each and every one of you who is going along this journey with me. I've had videos posted that have errors in them. My editing is sketchy. Right now you can hear a lawnmower in the background because of the new location. It is what it is. And I just appreciate that each one of you has stuck with me and is sticking with me through this, and I'm really excited. And not only am I thankful, I appreciate it, but I am growing and I want to continue to grow my channel. So to do so, I thought we would do something fun, and I'm going to do a giveaway. So all the rules will be in the description box below. So all you have to do is a couple things to be entered into the giveaway. So I'm going to do that, and somebody, obviously, I'm just going to draw a name, is going to win one of the makeup organizers. So I'm going to get that for somebody and send that directly to you. The contest, or the giveaway if you will, is going to be open from today, the day that this video goes up, until Monday the 24th, which is normally a video day for me. My videos are posted typically around 4 or 5 o'clock, and I'm going to be choosing the name at about 4 o'clock. As soon as I check the name or check for the winner, I'm going to put that name on the video, upload it, and the video will be up. So as soon as I do that, that winner will have 24 hours then to contact me. If they don't contact me, I will be making another video and another name will be chosen. So I'm really, really excited. I really hope one of you, you know, are excited about this as well, and it's nothing complicated to enter. So please make sure that you do that and help me grow, and we'll go along this journey and continue on this journey together. And again, I really appreciate all the support and the help in growing my channel. It's a lot of work. Starting this, I never imagined that it would be this much work. So doing this, working full time, and I start school here in just a couple days, and I'm taking 16 credit hours. So doing all of this is a lot, and I'm loving every single minute of it. It makes me so excited. So, and I have other exciting news coming up here in a few weeks as well. So I'm just really excited, and I'm looking forward to all of you being on this journey with me. Please make sure that you comment, make sure that you're subscribed so that if you enter the contest, you win. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye.